Right, well, welcome to level 6 of our character retopology. What we do next, we see tab for edit mode. So let's click on 2 for edge selection. We're going to extrude this forward. We're going to select this other edge here. And we're going to hold Control and right click rounding our character's mouth. So just hold Control and right click. That means to extrude. So let's position this area well. Let's say Ctrl Z, let's Ctrl Z back. Let's select this edge back again, and I want us to rotate. So create another edge loop, just one edge loop here. So hold Ctrl and we begin to extrude around our character's mouth. So that's very simple, and just ensure you just follow your character's reference also too. Like say one for vector selection, and let's push this forward. So we create a loop, and so this is just the mouth loop first, and I think this is okay. All right, now okay, let's push this Alt Z, and let's select this other loop also to here, and let's hold Control and right click also, so to create another loop. So this will be the second loop. Alright, let's join this, just push this together. Alright, so now we can now start welding all the vertices. So select those two vertices, click M on your keyboard to weld at center. So select these two vertices, click M to weld at center, select this, and there's need for you to delete any loop. You can delete or you can add edge loops. I'll just add one here and merge this. I'm going to merge this. I'm going to add one here also too and see what is going on. Alright, just adjust this other loop here and select and merge this also too. Alright, so I'm going to merge this also too. Select those two vertices, click M on your keyboard to merge, then say merge at center. Alright, right, so this is what we have now. These are our characters mouth loop. So this is under island. Alright, if we've done this now, let's adjust this area first. Alright, let's weld this area, this nose area. Let's select this and let's adjust this a little bit. So we're going to select this edge also too and create another loop. So this loop will be from the nose loop down to the jaw area. Alright, so let's say one vertex selection and join this area together. So now let's select these two and say M to wedge at center. M to wedge at center. So select those two vertices. Alright, so we have something looking like this now. So we have to figure it out and we can fix this issue. So we don't want this triangle here. So we're just gonna fix it and see how we can solve this whole issue. So I'm going to select this face and click on delete on my keyboard. I'm going to say select these two edges and bridge them together. Add one loop cut here and we'll solve that issue. So that's basically how to solve issues like that. let's say click on G. Let's adjust this loop here. Alright, so now we are done with the mouth loop, so we can finish this nose area. Alright, so we have to join this area also too, and I say F on our keyboard to fill that, or we can select this and say and join that area together, and we can add one loop cut here, and let's begin to adjust these whole areas. To select this edge also too, and say F on our keyboard to fill, F to fill also too. So let's stop in this area, and let's arrange. So now we're going to create another loop also here, another loop. So hold Ctrl and right click to extrude. One for vector selection. So I'm going to select these two vertices and say M on my keyboard to wed at center. Do the same thing here, M to wed at center. Select these two vertices, M to wed at center. Alright, so we've come to the end of this level. Do well to like, share, and follow for more content. Thank you.